Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about the menus. So we're just going to make the simple menu for now, the horizontal simple menu. So what we just need to do to make a simple menu, we just need we just need the list here. Through making a simple list instead of applying a huge style, we're just going to simply need the UL and the style. Oh sorry, we're just not going to apply the style, the class, the nav. Inside the nav I'm just going inside, and right after that I'm just putting the LIs, different LIs for different data li, and here the class again, and the nav item, and then here inside the nav item I'm just gonna make a link, the link like that, and here the hyper reference, and then the simple hash, and here the button one. Okay, or you can say the link one, whatever you want to say. You can the link one. Okay, space, and right after this I'm making the second one, the class nav item again, the a hyper reference, the link to, and there. It is pretty simple what I'm just doing. Class again, nav item, and inside that the hyper reference, link again, link 3, and save. Now go to the browser and refresh that, so now you'll be able to see what we've made. Okay, here, okay, it's not actually as it was expected. Okay, delete that. That was not the necessary thing. That was actually uh, totally unnecessary, and this is what we've made because we just missed a little thing here, the class nav link. Okay, we simply need to copy that, or we just can make a new one with every link, save, and now you will be seeing the changes. Okay, this is actually the link, the simple link in a Bootstrap we've made. Now we are just going to make the vertical navigation. Previously in a Bootstrap there was no option to make the vertical navigation, but now we have one. So I'm just gonna do that for sure. So the UL, actually they're using the Flexbox, which is actually a module of the CSS3, and this is something very special for the verticalization, the nav. And what new thing I'm just gonna add is nav column, and inside that I'm just gonna make the li class nav item a hyper reference class nav link, the link one, and I'm just gonna duplicate that now. Oh my gosh, link to, save, and okay, I did a little wrong thing. I need to copy the whole setup, place it here, the link to, save. Now go to the browser back and refresh that, so you can see that it's actually the horizontal one. I think we just need one more thing here, the BR, and save, and all good. Now go back to the browser and refresh that, so now you can see that it is actually the, if I add another one it will be more clarified. By the way, link 3 is saving. Now going to the browser and refreshing that, now you can see that the 1 2 3 1 2 3, the horizontal one, the vertical one. This is how it works. So in the next lecture we're going to talk about something more, some more deep of the navigation. So stay tuned and goodbye.